Easy-Kleen is one of Canada's leading manufacturers in commercial car and truck wash systems. Our Hotshot Touchless in-bay automatic is currently the only machine that is made in Canada. Some of the key features on this machine include lightweight aluminum gantry, dual LED navigational arms, stainless steel framework for extended life, modular pump stand design for minimal floor space, Hydroflex chemical dispensing for optimized chemical performance, rotary side blasters for effective rocker panel and wheel cleaning, wall mount or floor mount options to cover a wide variety of wash bays, standalone dry systems available in various configurations. Earlier this year, Easy-Kleen partnered with one of Alberta's busiest automotive groups to design and implement a state-of-the-art touchless wash bay tailored to meet their specific needs. Faced with the challenge of maintaining peak efficiency during high-volume operations, the dealership turned to Easy-Kleen for a solution that combines innovation, reliability, and operational excellence. For washing that required a little more attention, Easy-Kleen also designed 2 fully equipped detail bays at the facility which incorporated its multi-drop pressure wash system and foam cannon pre-soak application modules. The multi-drop system utilizes a state-of-the-art variable speed drive to alter the pump speed in order to run multiple wash guns at the same time without generating excessive bypass, which can prematurely wear out system components. The foam cannon modules work great for taking conventional pre-soak chemicals and foaming it onto the vehicle's surfaces. This allows the chemical to dwell, which releases stubborn road film for a brilliant shine. At Easy-Kleen, we pride ourselves on going above and beyond to exceed our customers' expectations. Whether you are designing a complete car wash or a detail center for an automotive dealership, the design team at Easy-Kleen will ensure it is done right. From concept to completion, we work directly with end users, construction groups, and design companies.